So friends, for now, okay, I think the onion, a little bit of ginger garlic paste. This is not the authenticate way of doing it. I'm doing it in my own style. This is how I like it. Okay, so I will not be recording the entire stuff, so because I'll have to use my both hands now. So next I'll be putting tomato. Then I'll be putting a little bit of salt as per my requirement. Then dhania, mirchi powder, and then peri will be in the last. Okay, so I will stop the video here and I'll show you once the omelette is ready. Reversing it. It will come like cake. There you go. Like it. Little more fried, and I like it little more fried. So I'm going to leave it for another 1 minute, and then it's ready for serving. Yeah, I'll switch off